Mark slit length along the hem of the sleeve and then add seam allowances at both sides and the top of the sleeve. So draw a triangle connecting the slit to the corners of the seam allowance and then you cut it following the guidelines. To draft the placket, measure a line 2 times the length of the slit and add 2 inches, and then measure 3 inches away from that first line. So you cut this out. Fold this halfway along the length and give it a good press with the seam allowances folded in. Sew the placket to the sleeve slit, matching the cut edges. To get the perfect shape for your placket, fold one side at right angles to the other and then pin down the triangle, and then you can take this to your sewing machine to stitch it down. Give it a good press and then you are done.